Mathematics is a way to understand the world, and the world is a way to understand mathematics.
Welcome to Opportuno, Episode 48, Mathematical Phenomenon. The following is one of the stories in our Storytime series of stories. Have you ever wondered how mathematics can be used to solve real-world problems? This podcast episode shares an example of an intriguing mathematical fact and a story of a simple and poor mathematician who used his mathematical brilliance to solve complex problems and make a difference in the world for the better. Now, on with the story entitled Mathematical Phenomenon.
Good morning, class. I want to explain how the sum of your age and birth year will always equal the current year, regardless of what age you are. This is a fascinating mathematical phenomenon that occurs every year. The reason for this phenomenon is simple mathematics. When you add your age to the year you were born, you are essentially adding the number of years you have lived to the year you were born. For this equation, use the age you will be on your birthday. This will always give you the current year, regardless of what age you are. I'll provide you an example, assuming the current year is 2023. If you were born in 1990 and you are currently 33 years old, then you have lived for 33 years. When you add 33 to 1990, you get the year 2023. Now, you may be wondering how people with different ages always come up with the same answer. The answer to that question is that the current year is the same for everyone, regardless of their age. When you add your age to your birth year, you are essentially calculating the number of years that have passed since your birth year up until the current year. This calculation will always give you the same result, regardless of what age you are or what year it is. The sum of your age and birth year will always equal the current year, and this is a fascinating mathematical phenomenon that occurs every year. There are no exceptions to this mathematical fact, and it will always hold true. In conclusion, the phenomenon of adding your age to your birth year to get the current year is a fascinating mathematical fact that can be explained by basic addition. So, in case you ever forget what year it is, just add the sum of your age and birth year to determine the current calendar year. Mathematics is like a map that guides us further and further into a better understanding of the universe. It is a powerful tool that helps us understand patterns, quantify relationships, and predict the future. Mathematics is a way to understand the world, and the world is a way to understand mathematics. It is a powerful tool for global understanding and communication, and it can help us solve complex and real-world problems. Mathematics provides a way to make sense of the world and communicate and act in appropriate ways. By using math in a global context, we can gain a better understanding of different perspectives and world conditions and recognize that issues are interconnected across the globe. To encourage you to move forward in your quest for better mathematical understanding and application of mathematical principles to solve real-world issues, I want to close out the class with a story about a mathematical genius. The story highlights the importance of mathematics in our lives and how it can be used to solve real-world problems. This is a story of a mathematical genius who used their mathematical skills to solve complex problems and make a difference for the better in the world. He understood that math is not just a subject to be studied in school, but a tool that can be used to make a positive impact on the world. Now, for the story entitled The Tale of a Mathematical Genius. Once upon a time in a humble, nondescript village nestled deep in the countryside, there lived a man named Eli. Eli was a simple, unassuming man, dressed in tattered clothes, and known by his fellow villagers as the poor mathematician. His life was spent in quiet solitude, but within the confines of his modest cottage, he delved into the mysteries of mathematics with unmatched fervor and passion. Eli's fascination with mathematics began in his childhood. He had an innate curiosity and an uncanny ability to see patterns where others saw chaos. He would spend his days scribbling equations and diagrams on whatever scrap of paper he could find, often losing himself in the intricate dance of numbers and shapes. Despite his impoverished circumstances, he felt he was the wealthiest man alive, for he possessed the keys to unlock the universe's deepest secrets. The village folk often regarded Eli with a mixture of amusement and pity. They could not understand why he chose to live in such meager conditions when his mathematical prowess could have brought him fame and fortune. But Eli was content with his simple life, for he saw the world in a way no one else did. To Eli, the universe was a vast, interconnected web of mathematical beauty. He believed that everything, from the flight of a bird to the formation of galaxies, followed precise mathematical rules and patterns. He saw the hand of God as the grand architect in the design of the cosmos. As years passed, news of Eli's exceptional knowledge and insight spread far and wide. Scholars and scientists from distant lands began to visit the village to seek his wisdom. They brought with them the world's most pressing problems, from complex engineering challenges to enigmatic riddles in quantum physics. Eli welcomed each visitor with warmth and humility, eager to apply his mathematical brilliance to solve real-world problems. He was able to decipher intricate codes, optimize machinery, and even predict natural disasters with astonishing accuracy. His ability to find elegant solutions to seemingly insurmountable problems left his visitors in awe. Word of the poor mathematician and his incredible talents reached the ears of world leaders. They sought his counsel on matters of global significance, such as economic crises, environmental issues, and social inequalities. Eli's mathematical insights provided innovative solutions that transformed the world for the better. Through his unwavering dedication to the pursuit of knowledge and his deep appreciation for the inherent order and design of the universe, Eli, the simple and poor mathematician, showed that beneath the surface of chaos and complexity, there existed a profound mathematical harmony waiting to be discovered. Eli's story reminds us that wisdom and brilliance can be found in the most unexpected places, and that the beauty of mathematics can illuminate the path towards solving the world's most pressing problems. His life was an example of the profound connection between mathematics and the wondrous design of the universe, a connection that holds the potential to transform our world for the better. The end.
That's all for now. Thanks for listening. Please visit our website opportuno.org. Thank you.